Aero Asset presents this Bell 429 serial number 57326. With over 400 aircraft delivered worldwide, the Bell 429 offers exceptional speed, range, lower operational costs, and best-in-class operational reliability. Coupling advanced rotorcraft avionics with a sleek and sophisticated design, the platform never compromises comfort nor performance. This Bell 429 serial number 57326 was manufactured in 2017 and was strictly flown for private use. Its wide cabin and panoramic view ensure optimum visibility for both passengers and crew, with a 6-seat corporate layout. It features a baggage compartment and skid gear. The cockpit is single-pilot day and night VFR certified with a 4-axis autopilot. Equipped with Garmin GTN 750, 650 avionics, an Avidyne traffic avoidance system with mutable audio, a Honeywell DME system, and Garmin satellite communication system, ASO approved, along with a cockpit voice recorder and flight data recorder. Powered by 2 efficient, compact and robust Pratt & Whitney PW207D2 engines, the Bell 429 delivers outstanding cruise and hover performance, as well as enhanced safety margins, drive system, and a fully integrated glass cockpit. Other notable options include emergency flotation, fixed and removable parts, air conditioning, and cabin soundproofing. This Bell 429 is hangared in England at Denham Aerodrome close to London Heathrow. Bell 429 serial number 57326, presented by Aero Asset.